Here is a beginner-level brand manager quiz that covers brand guidelines and consistency, consumer brand perception analysis, and brand storytelling and narrative creation. Let's go! Question 1. What is the purpose of brand guidelines? A. To define rules for logo use, colors, typography, and messaging. B. To track financial performance. C. To set annual sales targets. And D. To monitor competitor pricing. Answer: to define rules for logo use, colors, typography, and messaging. Question 2. Brand consistency ensures that A. The brand is constantly changing its visual identity. B. Consumers recognize and trust the brand across all platforms. C. Marketing teams have creative freedom to experiment without rules. And D. The brand follows the latest design trends every month. Answer: consumers recognize and trust the brand across all platforms. Question 3. Which of the following is not part of brand guidelines? A. Logo usage rules. B. Brand voice and messaging tone. C. Employee salary structure. And D. Color palette. Answer: employee salary structure. Question 4. Brand perception refers to A. The way consumers view and interpret a brand. B. The price of a brand's products. C. The internal operations of a company. And D. The brand's financial growth rate. Answer: the way consumers view and interpret a brand. Question 5. A brand's reputation is built through A. Keeping marketing efforts secret from customers. B. Random changes in branding and marketing. C. Frequent changes in brand identity. And D. Consistent messaging and high-quality customer experiences. Answer: consistent messaging and high-quality customer experiences. Question 6. Which tool can be used to analyze consumer brand perception? A. SWOT analysis. B. Employee attendance reports. C. Customer tax records. And D. Inventory management system. Answer: SWOT analysis. Question 7. Why is consumer brand perception important? A. It only affects product pricing. B. It determines how customers feel about a brand and influences loyalty. C. It has no impact on sales or brand equity. And D. It is only important for small businesses. Answer: it determines how customers feel about a brand and influences loyalty. Question 8. Which of the following is a method to improve brand perception? A. Reducing brand visibility on digital platforms. B. Increasing product prices without improving quality. C. Changing the brand logo every month. And D. Providing excellent customer service. Answer: providing excellent customer service. Question 9. Which element is crucial for successful brand storytelling? A. Irregular brand messaging across different platforms. B. A brand message that is difficult to understand. C. A compelling brand narrative that connects emotionally with customers. And D. A focus on technical details only without emotional appeal. Answer: a compelling brand narrative that connects emotionally with customers. Question 10. Brand storytelling helps a business by A. creating an emotional bond with consumers, B. making the brand more expensive, C. reducing the need for marketing efforts, and D. preventing customers from engaging with the brand. Answer: creating an emotional bond with consumers. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. A well-crafted brand story should A. be complicated and difficult for consumers to understand, B. have a clear purpose and align with the brand's values, C. focus only on company profits, and D. ignore the brand's history and vision. Answer: have a clear purpose and align with the brand's values. Question 12. Which of the following is not a key component of brand storytelling? A. Brand mission and values, B. Customer reviews and testimonials, C. Employee work schedules, and D. A consistent brand voice. Answer: employee work schedules. Question 13. What is an important aspect of maintaining brand consistency? A. Ensuring all brand elements align across different channels. B. Using different brand messages on each platform. C. Frequently changing the company's brand identity. And D. Ignoring the brand's established guidelines. Answer: ensuring all brand elements align across different channels. Question 14. Which of these would negatively impact brand consistency? A. Using the same brand identity in all marketing campaigns. B. Standardized brand messaging across platforms. C. Following a clear brand voice and tone. And D. Different logos being used in various marketing materials. Answer: different logos being used in various marketing materials. Question 15. Which of the following helps reinforce a brand's narrative? A. Storytelling through social media, advertisements, and customer experiences. B. Only using text-based advertisements without visuals. C. Keeping the brand's mission secret. And D. Avoiding customer interaction and feedback. Answer: storytelling through social media, advertisements, and customer experiences. Question 16. Why is brand storytelling effective? A. It focuses only on company profits. B. It makes a brand more relatable and memorable to consumers. C. It removes the need for advertising. And D. It discourages customers from engaging with the brand. Answer: it makes a brand more relatable and memorable to consumers. Question 17. Which of the following can damage a brand's perception? A. High-quality products and services. B. Strong brand consistency and clear messaging. C. Excellent customer support and positive reviews. And D. Negative customer experiences and inconsistent messaging. Answer: negative customer experiences and inconsistent messaging. Question 18. A company should monitor consumer brand perception by A. Relying only on internal employee opinions, B. Ignoring customer feedback, C. Conducting surveys, analyzing reviews and tracking brand mentions, and D. Not adjusting branding strategies based on feedback. Answer: conducting surveys, analyzing reviews, and tracking brand mentions. Question 19. What role does consistency play in brand storytelling? A. It reinforces trust and strengthens brand recognition. B. It confuses customers by changing messaging frequently. C. It reduces the effectiveness of the brand message. And D. It prevents customer engagement with the brand. Answer: it reinforces trust and strengthens brand recognition. Question 20. Which of the following best describes brand storytelling? A. Not engaging with consumers on social media. B. Only using technical data to explain the brand. C. Keeping branding efforts hidden from customers. And D. Communicating the brand's mission, vision, and values in an engaging way. Answer: communicating the brand's mission, vision, and values in an engaging way. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.